reckon this can't be shit, because like...
All the good animals are gone, please. What was that? I don't know, it was supposed to be a cow, but I can put that one.
Look at this mess.
I want to see this mess though. I want to see that one.
Curry powder.
Why have you panned the camera to me? Why have you done that?
What? Number 2.
Yeah, are we doing chocolate finger?
Oh, what the fuck? That was racist.
Wow! Come on.
All right, Vic, are you ready?
Count me in.
Do it on the drop.
Vic, look